come.
This should be Route 8.
Okay, I can navigate.
Okay. Barely touched it, guys.
Yeah. So we made it all the way out to this name that I don't think I'll ever be able to pronounce, but it's like hot waterfall springs.
El Salto de Malacatiupan.
They said you needed to rent a motorcycle to get here.
We totally could have taken...
We could have taken a car.
Our rental was a truck. It'd be super easy, but
Yeah.
cars were even...
Yeah.
There's cars here now.
I just don't think you can get anybody. I don't know if you can Uber out here, but it was not so bad. Okay.
So warm.
Oh my gosh, it is
like
so
hot water.
warm. Wow, that's kind of a mind.
Crazy.
This is so cool. How do you get down? So cool. It's all hot. Yeah. Came off. This part's pretty tricky. Not for Lee Bear. Woohoo! So incredible. This whole thing is hot. Woo-hoo-hoo! Andy's resurfaced! Woo! It's basically a jacuzzi. It's so warm.
A forever bathtub.
This is probably one of the coolest places I think we've been.
Yeah. Clearly no view.
Yeah. Currently worth the hour-long scooter ride. This is incredible. Guys, thinking about it. We just finished at the hot spring waterfalls, and we have a plan to go to the 7 waterfalls this afternoon, so we're gonna head back to Juayua and try to find some coffee in the meantime. Vroom vroom.
Vroom vroom.
like a little coffee plantation too. Muchas gracias.
Oh, okay. Provecho.
Gracias. Oh, these look fresh.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, that reaction.
Okay. Provecho.
Gracias. It looks like shakshuka. Gracias. Wow. We tasted this yesterday and it was so good and we couldn't stop thinking about it. So we decided to come back and actually order it. Wow. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. As people see, welcome to our dome. This is definitely the nicest Airbnb we've rolled up to, being extremely dirty. This is where we can lay out. We have a nice little hammock. We're actually in the second story right now. Come this way. Here's where we'll definitely be watching the sunset, probably with a little glass of wine. We have a grill that we will definitely not use. Our bathroom is super cute, little Buddha statue, and the shower's so nice, and you're basically showering outside. So cool. Then we have this little kitchen area where they gave us some wine. Watch your head. And then this is our dome. It's so cute, and they gave us a little welcome basket and a nice little blankie we can use on the hammock later, 2 robes, and just a freaking gorgeous view. And downstairs, we have this cute little area to sit, and the most exciting part, we have a hot tub. Isn't that so exciting? He's not talking to me.
Oh, sorry. I'm the cameraman.
It's cold right now, which actually feels really good because it's probably like 100 degrees in the dome right now. But we'll probably turn that on later because it gets really cool up here. So
Definitely.
yay. I don't know if we're going to leave.
No reason to.
No.